right done. Today I got my new excavator, so in this we'll see how it works and price, what are the features, everything we'll discuss in this video. I think it's a 13 channel excavator. I bought it from Desert Cart. I couldn't find like good excavator in Amazon or Flipkart, so that's why I have ordered it from Desert Cart. It took like almost 18 days to reach here. Yes, little bit like little more time it took, but I thought initially like after paying money the delivery got delayed. So whenever I contact support, they used to say you'll get it within 3 days, 4 days, something like that they used to say. So I have spent lot of money on this. That's why I got little bit fear I felt. Then after long wait I got it. Let's open. The package, like the packing is good. There's no problem in packing. And yes, we have a cover. Again they packed with another cover. Good only. They have given 2 batteries, 2 lithium ion batteries, but I thought like I can put 2 batteries at once, but I can only put only like 1 battery I can put once. After completing one, I can use some other battery. So I have place for only 1 battery, but life is like it came almost 45 minutes of continuous use, so that is very much better compared to other local excavators or local JCBs. Here everything is plastic except that bucket. Bucket is like very good quality. And so this is demo button. So whenever I click on demo button, like it will show all the functions, 13 channels. So if you play with this, it gives us like a real excavator feeling. It is very good. The problem with this is it took lot of time for me, almost 20 days. Every day I used to think, what if it don't delivers properly, something like that. And I have ordered another truck also, so we'll play with this excavator and truck. One day I'll take these two outside and I'll try to play on the ground. So this is top view, this is side view. There if you put water, I think you guys can see that blue light there. If I can put water, it will give some smoke. That I need to check. I don't know where to put and how it will come. So next time I'll show you. And this is the remote, and there is another one also in front, like just to keep sand at one place. That maybe that is helpful. And wheels are also very good. They are very good quality. So there is an option for sound also. So if you want to put sound, we can put. And you guys can see those wires. They are like simply they are given for good feel. for good look actually. So there's no any use. Everything works with that gray color like rod is there, no? So power and everything will come from that gray color rod. So this is remote. It's very nice. It looks very premium, and you can see 13 channels here. Yes, I'll try to show you both at once. I have phone in my other hand, so that I'm not able to show you clearly. So yes, so this is lights, turn on, turn off, and this is demo. So if I click on demo, so that is light turned on, and now I'll try to turn it off. Yes, and that is sound. So if I click, some sound will come. That is also good. So it will give like this is this light. And this is forward. And this is uninstall. Downside, this is digging. Okay, so left turn, so right turn, and this is demo. This button is demo. Light on, light off. This. So if I click this, only body will rotate. Wheels will remain there only, remain there. So only that body will rotate left and right. Full body will rotate. It is good. So like after loading, I can turn the body and I can put it